Hi, I'm Sinji, living in Chiang Mai. Do you have a ton of travel photos piling up on your smartphone? Where was that photo taken again? Just trying to find one can be exhausting, so we often just give up and leave them as they are. Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate album making technique using maps. This is the exact reason why I switched from the iPhone Photos app to Google Photos. I used to use an iPhone. While the iPhone Photos app also has a map feature, I honestly found it a bit difficult to see and didn't use it much. But with Google Photos, your photos are displayed directly on Google Maps, a tool you're already familiar with. It's incredibly convenient because you can find photos based on your memory of a specific route, like, oh, I remember walking down this street. Ever since I started using this feature that integrates Google Photos with Google Maps, I haven't been able to put it down. Today, I'll share 3 pro tips on how to master this useful tool. First, here is the fastest method when you already know the place you want to find. For example, when you know a specific name like Chiang Mai or Macau, typing it in is much faster than moving the map around. The steps are simple. Top search at the bottom right or the magnifying glass icon at the top. Just enter the location name. Now look at this. All the photos from that trip are displayed instantly. When you need to find photos in a hurry, this text search is highly recommended. Next, I'd like to introduce my favorite feature, searching intuitively from the map. Have you ever forgotten the name of a shop you visited during your trip? Even in those moments, this method will save the day. First, tap Collections at the bottom of the screen. Within that tab, you'll find an item labeled Places, so select that. A world map will appear, and locations with photos are marked with these circular icons. Now, just like the orange arrows on the screen, use your fingers to zoom way into the map. Move the circular icon to your target area. And look at this. Only the photos from that specific zoomed-in area are listed below. Searching by your memory of a location, like, oh, I remember this shop was delicious, makes creating albums so much fun. Once you find your photos, it's finally time to turn them into an album. But selecting them one by one is such a hassle, isn't it? That's where the third tip comes in. Bulk select by date. First, move the bar at the edge of the screen to quickly scroll to the date of your trip. Now, this is the important part. See this small check mark to the right of the date? Tap it, and just like that, all the photos from that day are selected at once. After that, you just need to uncheck any photos you don't need. This makes album creation dramatically faster. Finally, here is how to share your album with friends you traveled with. I recommend sending a link. This method works perfectly even if your friends are iPhone users. Just select Create Link from the Share menu, copy it, and paste the URL into Line. When you do this, don't forget to turn on Collaborate in the options. This allows your friends to add their own photos from their smartphones so everyone can build one album together. So, what did you think? Use text search when you're in a hurry, map search when you want to have some fun, and bulk date select when it's time to choose your photos. By mastering these 3 techniques, what used to be a tedious task of organizing photos will turn into an enjoyable time for reflecting on your memories. Please give it a try. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.